In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a FuturesElite account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to FuturesElite.com. Then from here it's showing something like this right here. From here you'll need to go up to either login or start challenge to open up an account. If you click start challenge, you'll go down here to where you'll be able to see the pricing table, where you can see there's no daily drawbacks, pass one trade, and start from $50. From here you can see that they have offers the Prime, Elite, Instant, or a custom funded account. All of these will have different prices and different set of offers of features, so just keep that in mind. From here you'll need to select the one of these funded accounts that you want to choose from, and from here you'll need to choose the platform. And as you can see, FuturesElite offers Deep Chart, Volumetrica, Deep Map, Quantower, or ATIS. So just choose whichever platform is most suitable for you, and then from here you'll need to choose the specific Prime account that you want to choose. So once you have chosen, you'll simply need to click Start Challenge, and then from here you'll need to scroll up until you see your billing details. From here you'll either need to first name, last name, email address, your country of residence, the state, city, postal code, address, and phone. Once you have written all of this information, you'll simply need to click continue, and then from here you'll be going over to the credit card details, where you'll need to enter in your credit card details and pay for the account. Once you've done that, you will get a mail with the login credentials for FuturesElite and the specific platform that you have chosen. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!